Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox iBELL Inverter Welder which I ordered on Amazon. Let's see what are the contents, what are the features and what we get inside the box. Let's see. Open the package and we have iBELL welding machine, model number iBELL M20089. It says input capacity 6.1 kilowatts, rated voltage 160 to 250 watts. So again, net weight 3 kgs, gross weight 4.3 kgs. So looks very small and sturdy. Let's unbox it. Alright, so first glance, what we have here, we have what is inside. I think is the electrode holder and the grounding wire. So we get a wire brush, we get electrode holder inside, and we have the grounding wire holder also inside. Okay, to the main. This is fine. So here is it. Product warranty. As you can see, the serial number is there. See the serial number inside. Operator's manual, and here is the product. Very small. I have a ruler here. That's the dimensions. So it's 24.5 centimeters wide by 10.5 centimeters. We have the current adjusting knob, power indicator, heat indicator, quality check indicator, and digital display. And at the front we have the quick connector socket welding machine output and quick connector socket welding machine output, which is the grounding wire. And at the back we have the power switch on off. Also says 170 volts to 270 volts input. Please subscribe, and I will post the next video where I will be using this product, and you will get to see how efficient it is